Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Dr. Carminati's YouTube channel, where we dive deep into cutting-edge topics to empower you with knowledge and actionable insights. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. Today, we're exploring an exciting subject, how to use AI agents. Before we jump in, I'd love to hear from you. Drop your ideas for future videos in the comments. Share your thoughts, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's make this a vibrant community of learners and innovators. Now let's get started. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks vanish, complex workflows run smoothly, and your team focuses on high-value creative work. That's the power of AI agents. These intelligent tools automate tasks, streamline processes, and transform businesses' operations. Whether you're a small business owner, a corporate leader, or just curious about AI, this video guides you through implementing AI agents step by step, based on a practical checklist from a guide listed in the description below. I'll break down each phase: assessment, implementation, integration, measurement, and expansion, ensuring you understand how to harness AI agents, even starting from scratch. Let's dive into this transformative journey and uncover how AI agents can revolutionize your work. Phase 1. Assessment. Laying the foundation. First, you assess where AI agents fit in your organization. This phase sets the stage for success by identifying opportunities, evaluating data readiness, and defining metrics. Start by mapping out tasks and workflows that are ripe for automation. Consider repetitive tasks like data entry, customer inquiries, or inventory tracking. Classifies each task as low precision, where 90% accuracy works, or high precision, requiring near-perfect results. Prioritize low-precision, high-frequency tasks for your initial rollout. They're easier to automate and deliver quick wins. For example, automating email sorting saves hours weekly without needing flawless accuracy. Next, evaluate the time intensity of tasks against their strategic value. A task like generating monthly reports might take hours but has a low strategic impact, making it a prime candidate for automation. Then, audit your data readiness. Check if your data is accessible, complete, and high quality. Ensure APIs and integrations are available to connect AI agents to your systems. For instance, confirm that your CRM system allows data access if you automate customer support. Also, compliance or privacy concerns like GDPR or NIST RMF for customer data should be addressed to avoid legal hiccups. Finally, define success metrics. Establish baselines for current performance, such as time spent on tasks or error rates. Set specific efficiency targets, like cutting report generation time by 50%, and quality metrics, like reducing errors to under 2%. Identify business impact indicators, such as improved customer satisfaction or revenue growth. These metrics guide your AI journey, ensuring you measure progress concretely. This assessment phase aligns your goals with practical opportunities, setting a clear path forward. Phase 2. Implementation. Starting small and smart. Now, you implement your first AI agent. Start small to minimize risks and build confidence. Select one well-defined use case, like automating invoice processing. Document the workflow in detail, every step, input, and output. Define clear boundaries for the agent's responsibilities, ensuring it handles specific tasks without overstepping. Set success criteria for the pilot, such as processing 100 invoices weekly with 95% accuracy. Choose the right technology approach. Evaluate no-code platforms like Zapier for simple tasks, low-code options like Microsoft Power Automate for flexibility, or custom development for complex needs. Select AI models and platforms based on your use case. Vendors like UiPath or Automation Anywhere offer robust solutions. Consider vendor stability, support, and scalability to ensure long-term success. For example, a growing e-commerce business needs a platform that handles increasing order volumes. Design human oversight to maintain control. Establish review protocols, like spot-checking 10% of the agent's outputs. Create escalation paths for exceptions, such as flagging invoices over $10,000 for human approval. Document human-in-the-loop processes to ensure seamless collaboration. Before going live, test thoroughly. Use historical data to create test scenarios, run simulations in a controlled environment, and compare agent outputs to human benchmarks. Address any performance gaps like incorrect data passing to ensure reliability. This careful implementation builds a strong foundation for scaling. Phase 3. Integration. Connecting the dots, integration embeds AI agents into your existing systems. First, establish secure data access. Configure connections to data sources like your ERP or CRM using authentication mechanisms like OAuth. Document data flows and implement audit trails for sensitive information, ensuring compliance with regulations like CCPA. For example, log every interaction for transparency if your agent accesses customer data. Next, connect the agent to workflows. Integrate outputs with tools like Slack or Salesforce to maintain seamless processes. Configure handoffs, such as passing complex customer queries to human agents. Ensure compatibility with current platforms to avoid disruptions. For instance, if your team uses Google Workspace, confirm that the agent integrates with Google Sheets. Minimize changes to existing processes to ease adoption. Design a user-friendly experience. Create intuitive interfaces for human-agent interaction, like a dashboard showing the agent's tasks. Provide visibility into activities such as real-time status updates and balance automation with human control. Incorporate feedback mechanisms like a button for users to report issues. Finally, prioritize security. Review the agent's access permissions, implement role-based controls, and document protocols. Conduct a security review before full deployment to catch vulnerabilities. This phase ensures your AI agent works harmoniously within your ecosystem. Phase 4. Measurement. Tracking success. Measurement proves your AI agent's value. Track efficiency metrics like time saved or volume processed. For example, if your agent automates report generation, measure hours saved weekly compared to the baseline. Calculate the cost per transaction to quantify savings. Document productivity gains, such as processing 500 orders daily instead of 200. Monitor quality metrics. Regularly audit output accuracy, like checking if the agent correctly categorizes emails. Track error rates and types to identify patterns, such as misinterpreting handwritten invoices. Compare consistency to human benchmarks to ensure reliability. Identify areas for improvement, like refining the agent's language model for better text recognition. Measure business impact. Assess revenue influence, such as increased sales from faster order processing. Monitor customer satisfaction in affected areas, like response times for support queries. Track employee satisfaction with agent collaboration. Do they feel empowered or frustrated? Calculate ROI by comparing costs, software, setup, to benefits, time savings, revenue. Refine and iterate based on user feedback. Conduct regular performance reviews, implement improvements, and document learnings. This phase validates your investment and drives continuous improvement. Phase 5. Expansion. Scaling and building capability with a successful pilot. Plan for expansion. Identify additional use cases using your assessment criteria. For example, Try automating payroll or customer onboarding if invoice automation worked. Apply learnings from the pilot, like optimizing data inputs. Create a roadmap for organization-wide adoption, prioritizing high-impact areas. Build organizational capability. Develop training on collaborating with AI agents, teaching employees how to oversee outputs. Share success stories, like how automation saved 20 hours weekly to inspire adoption. Create a community of practice for sharing best practices and fostering collaboration. Establish a governance framework to manage expanding agent use, setting policies for deployment and oversight. This phase transforms AI agents into a core part of your operations, driving long-term value. Encouraging deeper exploration, AI agents are more than tools, they're game changers. They free you to focus on strategy, creativity, and growth. But this is just the beginning. Dig deeper by exploring platforms like UiPath or researching case studies in your industry. Experiment with small projects to build confidence. The landscape offers endless possibilities, from automating marketing campaigns to enhancing supply chains. Stay curious, ask questions, and challenge yourself to innovate. The future of work is here, and you're at the forefront. Wow, what a journey! We've covered how to assess, implement, integrate, measure, and expand AI agents. I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, questions, or video ideas in the comments below. Did this inspire you to try AI agents? Share your story. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our community of innovators. Hit that bell to stay updated on the latest insights. Let's keep learning and growing together. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the comments.